You're not getting hurt because people are evil. You're getting hurt because you keep giving people access to parts of you they didn't earn. And the worst part? You keep doing it again and again and again. Different faces, same outcome. So let's stop pretending it's bad luck. It's a pattern. And today, you break it. First, you tell people too much. Way too much. Too early. Too fast. Too open. You meet someone, and suddenly they know your struggles, your plans, your emotions. Then, later, they use that same information to disrespect you, ignore you, or manipulate how you feel. And you sit there thinking, how did this happen? It happened because you skipped levels. Access should be earned, not given. Not everyone deserves to know you deeply. Learn to hold things back. Second, you expect people to be like you. You think they'll care like you, respect like you, move like you. They won't. And every time they don't, you feel hurt. But the truth is, you created that disappointment. You saw the signs. You felt the inconsistency, but you ignored it because you wanted them to be different. That's not love. That's self-deception. Start accepting people for who they show you they are, not who you hope they'll become. Third, you explain yourself too much. You try to be understood by everyone. You defend your intentions. You overtalk. You overclarify. You overprove. Stop. People who respect you don't need long explanations. And people who don't respect you won't believe you anyway. The more you explain, the more it looks like you're unsure of yourself. And the moment you look unsure, you lose power. Say less. Let your actions speak. Fourth, you react to everything. Every comment, every tone, every delay. Something happens, and instantly, you respond emotionally. That's how you lose control. Because when you react to everything, you give everything power over you. Start pausing. Observe first. Not everything deserves your energy. Not everything deserves your attention. Calm people see clearly, and people who see clearly don't get played easily. Fifth, you're too attached. Attached to people, attached to outcomes, attached to how things should go. So when things don't go your way, you break. That's where the pain comes from. Not what happened, but how much you depended on it. Learn this mindset. If it works, good. If it doesn't, I'm still good. That's control. That's stability. That's power. Now listen. People will still disappoint you. That doesn't stop. But what changes is how much it affects you. Because once you stop oversharing, stop overexpecting, stop overexplaining, stop overreacting, and stop overattaching, you become different. You move different. You think different. And most importantly, you stop giving people the power to disturb your peace. That's what being untouchable really means. Not cold, not heartless, just controlled. And controlled people don't break easily. They adjust. They observe. They move on quietly. That's your everyday reality check. Insight isn't optional, it's necessary. Subscribe to Everyday Reality Check because someone had to say it.